Hello everyone. So in this particular video we are going to do one SNS practical. So we have one of the business requirement. Based on the business requirement we are going to do SNS practical. So let's understand the requirement. My requirement is like I have one of the S3 bucket. In this S3 bucket on a daily basis I get a file from a client. So from on-prem system on a daily basis I get a CSV file into this S3 bucket. Now my requirement is like as soon as I get a file into this S3 bucket, I should trigger one email to the support team like we have received the file for 2 days. We have received a file for today. So because this file is very critical, if this file is not received, right? In this case, what the support team should do? They should start following like this file has not received. So we have an impact. So that is my requirement. On a daily basis we get a S3 file. So as soon as we get a S3 file we should send a notification to the support team we have received a file. If file is not received, if the message not received to the support team, so that they can start following up like this file has not received today. So that is the requirement. So in this case what I will do, I'll create a S3 bucket and there as soon as any file is uploaded, right, in that case the event obviously will be triggered, right. That event I will pass to the SNS and I will pass this SNS topic, and whoever will subscribe, as of now we have a support time, right. So in a subscriber we will add a support team. So as soon as file is uploaded, event will be passed to the SNS topic and that SNS topic will send a message to the subscriber to the support team. So that is the practical we are going to do. Based on the event base, how actually we can trigger a SNS, that actually we are going to see. So let's start a practical part. What I will do, I will search for the S3 first. I will create one S3 bucket. Let me click here. In this S3 bucket, I will create one bucket first. Let me create the bucket name SNS test something. I will give SNS test. I'll just create a bucket. As of now, this bucket will be empty. You can see SNS test this I have created. I will just open it. I'll go to the properties. In the property, you will see one option for the sender notification. So let me see we have a send notification option or not. In the property itself we should have default encryption is there, server access is there, event notification, this one. Now here what we'll do, we'll click on the create event notification. What is the event name? S3 file, some name I will give, receive. I'm just giving this event name, whatever the prefix suffix if you want, right, you can do that. Now based on what actually you want, right, so whenever anything is getting uploaded, right, so I will just add a put. Whenever anything is getting uploaded here, right, put activity is happening, in that case only I want to send a event. So this I have selected. And what is the destination where you want to send? So I want to send to the SNS topic. So here you have to select your SNS topic. So what I will do, first I will create SNS. I'll open in a new tab. So in previous video also we have seen like how to create a subscriber. So what you have to do, first you have to open SNS. In this SNS, go to the topic. You have to create a topic. I have already created one test. So I will first delete it and I will show you once again. So here I just have to write delete me. If you want to delete, what you have to write, you have to type delete me and click on the delete. In this case, what will happen? This topic will be deleted. I will just create a new. I'll select the standard one. I'll give the topic name as a S3 file receive. This name I will give. Now what we have to select, we have to select the access policy, and I will select everyone can be publisher and subscriber can be everyone. If you want a specific that permission you can pass from here. This is the topic I am creating. So you can see this S3 file receive, this one I have created. Now I have to add a subscription. So click on the subscription. This is your ARN protocol. I want a email. If you want SMS also you can select. Once you select SMS, right, you have to pass the number and all, but I will go with the email only. So I will select the email only. You have to pass the email ID. So after that, just click on the create subscription. Once you will do this, right, if I'll go here, You can see pending confirmation. Now you have to go to your here in this email ID, whatever email you have provided, you have to just confirm it. Click on the confirm subscription. Subscription is confirmed. Now if you will refresh it, here I am passing my email, but if you will have a support team email ID, right, that actually we can pass. So this is the one we have passed. Now what we have done, we have created a S3 bucket. In this S3 bucket, uh, in a property, we are selecting the event notification. Here we are selecting the put if anyone is uploading the file. Now what is the destination? Destination will be a SNS topic, right? So this is the topic I will select. Click on the save changes. Click on the save changes. Now we have done the setup. Now as soon as any file will be uploaded here, in this case what I should get, I should get a notification. So let me upload any file. Click on the upload, add files. I'll just upload any random file, any of the document. I'll just upload this. Click on the upload. You can upload any file, okay? I'm just uploading randomly. I have just uploaded. In this case, what actually it should do, the event, right, it should pass to the topic, and that topic should, this subscriber should get an email. So let's see we have got an email or not. I'll come here. You can see Amazon S3 notification. This is the notification I got. You can see I got this notification like this is the events which we have received. And if you want a particular, right, here you can also include a lambda and all the particular message if you want to send it, those kind of thing also you can do that. So this is working fine. Means anyone uploading any file, right, we are sending event to the topic, and this topic is sending to this particular email, and we are getting a message. I hope you got the idea. This is how actually we can do.